Now that all the internal hyperlinks are taken care of, we can transform the social media icons into buttons that will direct the user to the wild vintage social media platforms. Since it is an imaginary client, there are obviously no active social media icons. I will open Pinterest and use a randomly selected page to illustrate how to connect social media icons. It is very easy. The principle is the same for all social media platforms, because all you need is the URL. Open the social media platform and locate the individual page or account. Highlight the URL address and copy it. Use the keyboard shortcut of Control or Command on the Mac +C. Return to Dreamweaver. Select the image. In the Properties panel next to Link, you will paste the URL. Control or Command for Mac +V on the keyboard. Next to Target, select _blank. This will ensure that the link doesn't redirect away from the original site. That's it. Easy, right?